guys? My name is Trevor. I'm a solo traveler from Texas, and I had the urge to go to Mexico City by myself. So I shot some videos, I took a lot of Polaroids, and I spent the last 4 days experiencing Mexico City as a solo traveler. I guess the Mexican food has kind of gotten to me a little bit. One thing I wanted to tell you guys is that you can't just randomly hop into a bathroom here. They're gonna charge you probably 5 pesos to go and use the restroom, and then maybe even more to use toilet paper. So always have some spare cash on you when nature calls.
Don't let down. You gotta wake up, don't let down. Then you put it on the paper before me. Not in my head when I really mean maybe. Just wanna see it on the watching little TV. Focus on the thunder in my head. Before I lose my man again. Before I lose my man again. Before I lose my man.
These cars do not stop for anybody. I don't know about traffic laws and traffic lights, but I almost got hit by a car right there. Pay attention to the green walking sign, but that doesn't mean the cars are going to pay attention to it. So just gotta keep your head on swivel.
Acércate que quiero decirte algo, baby. Tengo toda la noche viendo, admirando tu flow, yeah. Solo presta atención, baila conmigo el Dembow. Que todo lo que quiero decirte está en la canción, baby. Tú tienes algo que me atrapó. Esta noche de farra es ese cuerpo que me atrajo. Y obviamente tu mirada. Y quiero confesarte que por mi mente quiero acercarme, baby.
I'm officially in love. There are dogs everywhere. I have a pug at home that I wish I could take here because a lot of the chilangos walk their dogs without leashes, which is awesome because you can go pet them. Shout out to all my fellow Boy Scouts out there. Looks like they got one in Mexico City. It's awesome.
We both feel this, oh baby. Baila, bailame lentico, wey. Move, así todo rico, wey. Bailame lentico, wey. Bailame lentico, así despacito.
City, besides being very big, it is very walkable when you get to the areas. Roma, Condesa, Juarez, and Chapultepec area, that's all walkable. So I'm gonna literally stay this whole day on foot. And then if I need to get somewhere, I'll probably take the train because I spent like 40 pesos on tickets, like a dummy. I shouldn't have. But I didn't know the prices very well, and I just kind of bought some. So I'll be riding the train for the next few days just to kind of get my money's worth. But the exchange rate's like 20 to 1 right now, so nothing's gonna cost you more than you're willing to spend. So this is definitely a very affordable trip and a fun city.
I don't need to hear that you love me, but when you're ready, I'll say the same.
'cause ever since I saw you at the corner of my eye, I swear that I can't seem to ever look away.
So I jump on the train this morning to head down to Condesa from El Centro. I'm on the blue line. There's like 20 policemen and they have 4 guys under arrest. These dudes are in handcuffs. Well, sure enough, they actually put all of those guys on the train with all of us. It's already packed as it is. So now you have these hostile looking dudes in handcuffs pressed up against the train car, and they ride for about 3 stops with us before they all get pulled off by the police officers. One of the guys took off and ran in his handcuffs, and they actually grabbed him and pinned him back up against the wall. So that was my fun train experience. Once again, I highly recommend you guys jump on the metro and don't Uber around the city. Really enjoy immersing yourself within this city and becoming one of the Chilangos yourselves.
That body moving, just keep dancing through the night, and then maybe we can do things when they turn off all the lights. Yeah, your touch is so genuine and scares those ghosts we left behind, and I know you can keep me away. See, every day I've tried my best to find some kind of happiness, and I feel like I found my way. 'Cause every day I see the world in your eyes. I know every little thing is alright. But something about the way you look just got me feeling in the mood. So when you...
A lot of political activity going on today. I think there was an election in front of the National Palace, and I think that was a group that's trying to support going vegan, saving the planet, going green. So you can see that Mexico City is very progressive.
Moving, just keep dancing through the night, and then maybe we can do things when they turn off all the...
One thing that you need to get used to in Mexico City is the vendors. Everybody's gonna come try to sell you something. Everybody is a businessman trying to just get a little something to get by. So the best practice for me is just say gracias, smile, and keep walking, because if you have a heart, then you're gonna want to buy everything from these people.
I smile too. I smile too. Yeah. I love it. I smile too.
Take all your preconceptions, take all the stereotypes that you have about Mexico City, ball them up and throw them away. This city has defeated every stereotype that is out there. It's going to shock you, surprise you. It's going to be one of the most beautiful experiences you ever have. This is a great jumping point for a next trip. I'm going to do another solo trip in the future. I hope to film it for you guys, but I've had an absolute blast filming this. I hope it's helpful for you. Please put comments in the section below for my next video. Continue to be inspired to do exactly what I did. Put on a backpack and just go. Leave all your preconceptions behind and just go and experience these cities and places for what they truly are. And the world is beautiful. It's out there, and we got to go and experience it ourselves.
Every single day when it's cool outside, I just wanna stay. Sleep under cover.